Now, JAMB candidates can now go and start rejoicing. What you have been looking for has happened. Just now. N.H.S dropped this update that after the resitting, there was a resitting of JAMB, right? Especially in Lagos, Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, Imo, Abia State. After the resitting, even though JAMB has also said that there will be another resitting for those that couldn't make it, both in the first and second writing of JAMB 2025. So N.H.S just give us this very, very exciting tweet. And what did he say? Between 60 to 72% of candidates who participated in the JAMB receipt scored above 200, right? So there is a good news. I want you to, this is joy at last. So you can now rejoice that more and more people are passing this exam, and your chance of getting admission this year has now increased. There is no reason to panic. More and more, very soon, I think later today or tomorrow, you will now be able to just check your JAMB result. I've already taught you how to check your JAMB result. If you don't know, let me know. If you have not been able to check your JAMB result all this while, you have been having an issue, feel free to let me know. But that is only if you join our YouTube channel. So click on join. You can see join. Click on join our YouTube channel right now, and then also share this video so that everybody will know the testimony. Like this video if you like good things. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, let me know. I think we should all be happy. We should all go and rejoice. Okay, there's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now. Remember to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.